Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Ford F150 keyless entry using an easy method. First, gather all your existing key fobs, including any new ones you wish to program. Make sure your truck's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Then, get into your F150, close all the doors, and ensure they are unlocked. This preparation ensures a smooth programming experience for all your key fobs. Now let's get into programming mode. Insert a key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Quickly cycle the key from on to off 8 times within 10 seconds, making sure to end on the off position. You'll know you've entered programming mode when the door locks automatically cycle, indicating the truck is ready to learn new key fobs. This quick sequence is crucial for success. With your F150 in programming mode, it's time to add your key fobs. Take your first key fob and press any button on it within 10 seconds of the lock cycling. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this key fob has been successfully programmed. For any additional key fobs, repeat this step immediately, pressing a button on each one within 10 seconds of the previous confirmation. This ensures all fobs are recognized. After programming all your key fobs, it's essential to test each one to confirm they lock and unlock your F150 correctly. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the on position. This action saves all the newly programmed key fobs to your truck system. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. Enjoy the convenience of your newly programmed keyless entry system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.